Hello guys, welcome to a new video of the DBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about the question set 41. In the previous two videos we have discussed about the selection method and the projection method in the algebra query. So today we are going to talk about the rename operator in the algebra query. Okay, in our first question they are asking, write the relational algebra query to change the stock table to inventory. So in here we have to change the name of a table. In here they are asking to change the name of the table stock to inventory. Okay, when writing that query, here is my rename operator. We are using the row sign to show the rename operator. Then after that, in the first bracket we are writing the new name of the table. Then after that we are writing the existing name of the relevant table. So when reading this query, we are reading this query like change the stock table name to inventory. Likewise, we are reading this algebra query. The next question, they are asking, the user uses the user type table used to store user types. In the columns of that table, change the name of the column called user type ID to type ID and the name of the column called user type name to type name. Write the relational algebra query to required for that. Okay, as same as the previous first question, in this question also we have to change the name of a column. In here they are asking to change the name of the column code user type ID to type ID and user type name to type name. Okay, when writing that query here I have used the rename operator here. Then after that, here is my new column name type ID and here is my new column name type name, and we have changed these two changes in the user type table. So when writing the changes, you have to write the names in order which are willing to change the names of the relevant table. Okay, in the third question they are asking, the brand table is used to store product brands. You need to change the name of the table to product brand. In the columns of the table, you need to change the name of the column called brand ID to BID and the name of the column called brand name to BName. Write the relational algebra query to required for that. Okay, in this question we have to change the table name first, and after that we have to change the column name also of that table. Okay, when writing that query here, as you can see, I have used the rename operator. Then I have mentioned the table name here. So my new table name will be product brand. Then I have entered the columns names which I have to change. So that in here I'm going to change the brand name to product name, and I'm going to change the column names to BID and B name respectively in order. Or in the last question they are asking, there is a table called GRN item to store the selling price of the product, the price at which the product was purchased and the quantity of the product. You need to separate the columns product ID, quantity, unit price, selling price from that table. The names of the columns in that table should be changed in this way. The column called product ID needs to be PID, the quantity column as P quantity, the unit price column as P unit, and the selling price column as P selling price. Okay, in here we have to write a query like subquery. As you can see, here is my query. In first I have used the projection method because they are asking to select some columns from the given table. Here I have selected the product ID, then the quantity, unit selling price column, selling price column. Then I have used the rename operator to change the name of these columns. When changing these names, here is my new names. As you can see, PID, P quantity, P unit selling price, P selling price. So here as you can see, product ID will be changed to PID, quantity will be changed to P quantity, unit price will be changed to P unit price likewise. So I am going to change the name of the columns in the GRN item table. Here I have used this subquery because first they have asked to select the columns they are asking, like the product, column ID, column quantity, column and unit price. That's why I have used the selection method in this query. So this will be the end of my video. Thank you.